Hello! Okay, so what we're going to be working on right now is going to be dividing fractions. Now, you guys are comfortable with multiplying fractions?
Yes.
You guys are okay with that? All right, so check this out. In order to divide fractions, first we need some fractions. So let's say if I have, of course, let's say if I have 3/5, and I'm going to be dividing that by, let's say 1/2. Okay, have you written this problem down? Okay, so the idea is, well, always step 1, write down original problem. Step 2,
Right.
that's correct. Okay, so here we go. And then step 3 is to simplify. All right, now here's the thing with, after we've written down the this equation and we've had a good cry, we then go ahead and we think, how do I simplify dividing fractions? All right, how do I divide fractions? Yes, ma'am?
You keep 3/5,
So 3/5 stays the same.
and then your division sign turns to a multiplication sign.
So I change this into a multiplication symbol.
And then you switch 2 and 1, so it'd be 2/1.
So I write the reciprocal of the second number. The reciprocal, which means the flip. Is everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
What was that word? I've already forgotten it.
Reciprocal.
Nice, the reciprocal. So then, and now, do I ever flip this number?
No.
No, I do not. It is always, okay? It is always the second one. It's always this guy that I'm going to flip. All right? Is everybody okay with that?
Yes.
All right, awesome. So here we go. Let's write. All right. And now, can I cross cancel anything?
No.
No, I can't. So let's multiply it out. So help me out. 3 times 2 is? 6. 1 times 5 is? 5. That's my answer.
No.
So I heard no. Why? Explain why. Explain. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I have to simplify. How do I simplify this?
You do 6 divided by 5.
All right. So I have to divide 5 and 6. How many? Class, how many 5s are in 6?
1.
1. Subtract it out, and I get 1. And what do I do with that?
1/5.
1/5. Booyah-ka-cha. All right. So my answer is 1/5. Yeehaw. So now, let's go ahead. Let's try another one. Let's say I had something along the lines of 9/10, okay, which is going to be divided by 3/5. Okay. Have you written it down?
Yes.
Now that you've written it down, internal cry, and then we move forward and we say, hey, I wonder what I do with this. Yes, ma'am.
10 divided by 5 equals 2.
True, but that's not the process which we follow for this. So how did we just show it? What was the first thing that we did?
We switch it around.
We switch it around, and tell me what that means.
Reciprocal.
Which one reciprocals? The 9/10 or the 3/5?
The 3/5.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip the 3/5 to make it 5/3. Over here I have the 9/10. And then what do I do? Yes?
You can cross cancel.
I could if I had a symbol in between. Yes? So this turns into multiplication. Great. So now, you were saying what?
You can cross cancel.
What can I cross cancel?
10 and 5.
10 and 5, because there is a number that goes into 5 and 10. And what is that number?
5.
5. How many 5s are in 5?
2.
2, 1. What is it?
1.
How many 5s are in 10?
2.
2, that's right. Okay, and now we just go ahead and multiply.
Yes.
Yes.
You say no.
You can cross cancel 3 and 9.
3 and 9, there's a number that goes into all 3 and 9?
Yeah.
What number is that?
3.
How many 3s are in 3?
3.
1. How many, and then how many 3s are in 3? Yeah, there's 3. Okay, so let's multiply it out. 3 times 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. And then we get 2. And my final answer is
1
1 and 1/2. Everybody okay with that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so the very next one. So let's say I had a number like 3 and 2/3, and I was getting that divided by 1 and I don't know, like 6/11. Let's do this! All right, so how would I go about this process? Yes, ma'am.
You can make a reciprocal.
Reciprocals will come. They will come. So you're correct, but there's something we got to do first. Yes, ma'am.
You would have to change this into proper fractions.
I have to change these into what?
Improper fractions.
How do I turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions? How do I do it? What was it? What was the thing? Whole
number times the number
sounds so sad.
We just remember
Sounds-
saying not the actual.
That's why we gotta remember to say it again. So while you do, you gotta say it. Whole number times denominator plus numerator. Now I said it that time. Your turn to say it. Go.
Whole number plus denominator plus numerator.
You know what I'm talking about. All right. I'm gonna have you get up here with me. All right. So here we go. Whole number times denominator plus numerator. Let's make it happen. I got this bad boy right here. So I'm gonna go whole number times, which is what? 9 plus 2 is
11.
11 over
3.
3. And now, what's this one over here? Yes?
Oh. Oh, 17
Oh,
over 11.
Because I have 11 times 1, which is 11 plus 6 is 17. Now I got 17 over 11. Boom! What happens now? Yes?
You can make it, you can do reciprocal.
I can do reciprocal. That's correct. I keep changing the pen, but all I ever get is all I ever get is black. All right, so yes. 11 thirds times what number?
11, 17.
All right, everybody knows 11 times 11 is?
121.
It is 121. Nice. Dropping it. Good job. All right, 3 times 17.
41.
Close.
54.
51.
51.
We all knew that. We were just testing.
You will. By the time I'm done with you, you'll have all these. All right, so good. You don't know your 17s? Come on. All right. So here we go. I know my 83s. Here we go. So how do I finish this out? Go. Do it. Go. Solve. Go. Simplify. Is it like with a pen and pencil and paper? Like do it. All right. You have questions, sir? And you wrote it on a piece of paper? You can show it to me? Let me see it. Ooh. All right. Okay, we're running really tight on time. Doctor, what'd you get? Did you get 2? What was that? 2 and 51sts? Anybody else get this? Ah, another. Very good. All right. So very nice. And that is how we divide fractions and mixed numbers. That is how we divide fractions, mixed numbers, and improper fractions. I sure say goodbye to the internet world.
Bye.